In this video, I will solve one numerical on Z parameters. Find the open circuit impedance parameters for the circuit shown below. This is the given circuit. For this circuit, we have to find open circuit impedance parameters. It means we have to find Z parameters for the given circuit. So this is the given circuit. We are supposed to calculate Z parameters. The Z parameters are defined as V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So these are the basic equations of Z parameters. I will call it as equation 1, this as equation 2. So I will solve this using very simple method. So here we can see that V1 is the input voltage, V2 is output voltage, I1 is input current, I2 is output current. Assume the current in this loop is I1 as I1 flowing here, and current in this loop will be I2. So I2 current will be flowing here. Let me apply KVL to loop I1, that is apply KVL to loop I1 so that I can write V1 is equal to, we have 3I1 plus voltage across 6 plus J4 is, these two are in series, that is 6 plus J4. Both I1 and I2 flows in same direction, that is I1 plus I2. Or I can write V1 is equal to 3I1 plus 6 plus J4 I1 plus 6 plus J4 I2. Upon simplifying, I can write V1 is equal to, so here I can write, here constant is 6, real term is 6, here real term is 3, that is 6 plus 3 is 9, that is 9 plus J4 I1 plus here it will be same, that is 6 plus J4 I2. Let me call it as equation A. Now let me compare equation A with equation 1, that is compare equation A with equation 1. That is, here in equation 1 coefficient of I1 is Z11, here coefficient of I1 is 9 plus J4. Therefore Z11 is equal to 9 plus J4. Z11 is equal to 9 plus J4 ohms. So similarly, in this equation coefficient of I2 is Z12, here coefficient of I2 is 6 plus J4. Therefore Z12 is equal to 6 plus J4 ohm. So now similarly, let me apply KVL to loop I2, that is apply KVL to loop I2. So I can write V2 is equal to, we have, this is current dependent voltage source, so this will be 2I1 plus voltage across these two is 6 plus J4 into I1 plus I2, that is 6 plus J4 into I1 plus I2. Let me simplify. V2 is equal to, here we have 2I1 plus 6 plus J4 I1 plus we have 6 plus J4 I2. Or I can write V2 is equal to, here coefficient of I1 is 6 plus J4, here coefficient of I1 is 2, 2 and 6 are real term, that is 8 plus J4 I1 plus 6 plus J4 I2. Let me call it as equation B. Now compare equation B with equation 2. That is, in equation 2 coefficient of I1 is Z21. Here coefficient of I1 is 8 plus J4. So Z21 is equal to 8 plus J4 ohms, and we have coefficient of I2 is Z22. Here coefficient of I2 is 6 plus J4. Z22 is equal to 6 plus J4 ohms. So therefore we can write Z is equal to Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 is equal to, we have Z11 is 9 plus J4, Z12 is 6 plus J4, Z21 is 8 plus J4, and Z22 is 6 plus J4. Thus we found Z parameters for the given circuit. Thank you for